Okay. So let's check the attendance first. Count off. Okay, very good. No one is absent. So, did you bring your assignment, class? Okay, pass your assignment forward. And now, who can recall our topic last meeting? Yes, Byron. Okay, thank you, Byron. So our topic last meeting is all about, we tackled about ensuring teacher quality through competency framework and standard. So now, I want you to watch this short video. Listen attentively, class, and understand the content. And later, I will give you some questions. Okay? Have I understood? Okay. Okay, are you done watching the video? Okay. So now, what have you observed in the video I presented? Yes, yes. Okay, good. So the video is all about the CPD, or continuing professional development. And is there any advantage to joining in CPD in one's profession, class? Why it is important for professional teachers to join CPD or continuing professional development? So let's talk about that later. Now, joining professional learning community or community of practice. So CPD is made possible and alive through professional learning communities, or should I say PLC. So these PLC are powerful collaboration in which teachers work together to analyze and improve their classroom practice in a systematic process. So class, kaning CPD is mo ni siya ang way of collaboration sa mga teachers, which is kanang dito sila mag-sharing sila o kung sa ilahang problem sa kanang classroom nila, kung saan pag-improve sa ilahang classroom. Mag-collaborate sila o kung sa kanang ilahang dapat buhaton, mag-share sila o mga ideas. Through an PLC or professional learning communities. And then, so the Department of Education institutionalized the School Learning Action Cells, or SLAC as a mechanism for CPD. So ang kanilay School Learning Action Cells is monitoring serving mechanism sa CPD. And then let's forward to CPD in Singapore. So kanilay pong Singapore. But before that, I want you to know that this CPD in Singapore is the first country in the world to adopt the PLC, or Professional Learning Communities Framework nationwide, class. Sila ang pinaunahan, kanina country ang pinaunahan nga ni-adapt sa PLC Learning Communities nationwide. And then, in 2010, the Ministry of Education, or MOA, mandated all schools to be learning organization. So this learning organization concepts of school supports the building of a strong mentorship culture where a collaborative and community-oriented front of professional development thrives. So ang ganyan Ministry of Education, class, mo ni siya ang mandate na kanang schools is mahimong learning organization. And then kaning learning organization is mao ni siya ang nag-support sa eskwelahan, nag-support para mag-build og strong mentorship. Then naay collaboration between sa teachers o kaning community-oriented sa mga teachers to teachers para naay professional development. The Singapore class is nag-iambag sila nga every teacher is entitled to have 100 hours per year. Class para sa ilahang optional training. So para sa mga maestra nga, at least 1 hour in their curricular time per teacher class is they should have to identify and define the problem first. And after that, they need to have to make a plan for their improvement. So maghimo sila plan para sa ilang improvement sa ilang classroom or sa ilang schools. And then after planning class is implementation of teaching and learning activities. So of course, after you make a plan, you have to apply or implement your plan in the reality. So you need to apply your plan in your teaching and learning activities class. And then after implementation, you have to observe the results. If there is a progress ba or wala ba, na ba siya progression or wala ba siya ng progress, nga na. So you need to observe. And then after observation is, the last one is reflection on the outcomes. So you need to reflect to your outcomes if okay ra ba siya, mas maayo ba ang iyang outcomes, o nga na.
So 4 cycle phases. The first one is study phases. Teacher analyze the curriculum to be taught and formulate. The second one is planning phases. Teacher select lessons for research, predict students' thinking. Then third one is to analyze phases. Teachers observe and discuss the classroom or in the classroom. Reflection phases. Teacher discuss students' learning and identity. Mao ni siya ang 4 cyclical phases nga magamit yun na to inside the classroom or outside the classroom. Next is CPD. In Finland, teachers in Finland meet one afternoon each week to jointly plan and observe curriculum. They are encouraged to work together to share materials. So, example, ani attending training courses, mentoring new colleges, participating in peer review and observation, then engaging in profession, learning communities, or action research.
CPD in Japan. So this is the CPD practices of high performing practices in that country. So lesson study approach to professional development. So Japan is one of the known for the lesson studies approach to professional development. So and for a lesson study, how does Japan do lesson study as a strategy for a professional development? So, just like here in the Philippines, so the demonstration is the one of the approaches of study in learning. So, for example, like solving problem, just like in the Philippines. So the Japan is one of the learning study CPD in Japan, so high performing studies in the country. So lesson study approach to professional development. So Japan is well known for learning study. So for how does Japan do lesson study as a strategy for a professional development? So just like here in the Philippines, so demonstration is one of the example in the lesson study approach. So, just example here is the students will know how to solving the problems, how to handle their to study the lessons given by their teachers. So, below is a detailed descriptions of how Japan is implement a lesson study. So, every teacher periodically prepares a best possible lesson that demonstrates strategy to a specific goal. The possible lesson demonstrates the teachers was supportive. They give the feedback of their students to aron mahibawaan sa student nga bugas sila na mali ug asay dapat nila i-improve. So, in some cases, the revised lessons is given by another teachers only a few days again. So, a typical lesson study the 10 to 15 hours of a group meetings are spread over 3 to 4 weeks. So, while school let out between 2 to 40 and 3:45 p.m. So, sa Japan, in the Japan is the end of their classes in a day is 2:40. So, after that, sa 2:40 p.m. is they given a chance their students to play in the playground or do their what they want or one. Then 3:45 is the manguli na jud ang students niya na. But here in the Philippines, in the one day of school, so kanang ang atong klase diri is until 5. So dapat 5 p.m. is mauna na ato ang panggawas. Dili pareha sa Japan nga sayo maayos sila manggawas. And then sa Philippines is all subject was discussed. Sa Japan is matulo lang ka subject nga nang adlaw. Dili jud ingon nga katong tanan nga subject is ilang i-discuss. So, muna naka-disadvantage sa Philippines and naka-difference sa Japan and the Philippines. So, the research lessons allow teachers to refine individuals' lesson, consult with other teachers and get colleagues' observation, classroom practices, reflect on their own practices, learn new content and approaches. So ang kinaghahuman sa ilang klase is na they given a chance to tell their teacher or ask their teachers what is the lessons nga ilang wala nasabtan, ilang ganahan nga i-consult kay aron makahibaw makapangayon sila o idea sa ilang teacher sa kung unsa man gani ang lessons about. So kadang the observations of classroom practices would reflect sa ilang practices, the new content approaches, then collaborations. Magkita nimo diri ang collaborations for the teachers and the students sa unsaon nila pag-apply sa ilahang mga kuan na hibaw-an. And thank you. So the continuation is si Joyce na ang palarin. Thank you.
So, the next topic is CPD in New Zealand. So, in New Zealand, the Ministry of Education gives fund for only 20% for the new teachers, while and 10% release time for second year teachers. So, in New Zealand, they give for the new teachers they give only 20% and for 10% for the second year teachers. So for the they release time for second year teachers 10%. Ministry of Education to observe other teachers. So in New Zealand, the other teachers will spend more time just to observe the other teachers or with what we call the beginners ng teacher. So CPD in New Zealand is a mandatory requirement to maintain their skills and professional development. So the mentor teachers deliberately spend time to observe. Like what I said earlier, that the teachers spend more time to observe and compare other teachers to enhance their skills and knowledge, to develop also their professional characteristics. So it is important that the mentor teachers will observe the other teachers, especially for the beginning teachers, to maintain their qualifications and also to meet their professional standards.
Let us say the characteristic of effective CPD. We have 6 characteristics of effective CPD. First is continuous rules. A professional does not stop developing or else he or she runs. So continuous. This
because we have completed our studies or obtaining a bachelor degree will stop us. No, that's not the case because it's just a beginning of how we can improve ourselves when it comes to teaching. Sa Binusaban, as long as buhay pa ta, we continue to learn because of the process we go through. Next is the collaborative. Need to be part of a PLC, a professional learning community. So, continuing professional development will be effective if that becomes part of PLC, means professional learning community. When it promotes teach collaboration to increase student academics or achievement of they teach. For example, teachers come together for a common goal to effective and create a consistent curriculum that has a major impact of students. Next is focus on the specific teacher need. It responds to the need and so is highly relevant to the teacher. So, CPD is more effectively every need of teachers is met. It's not easy to them, especially when it comes to financial matters that can or should be made by the department or the institution. Like for example, here is MOOA or maintenance and other operating expenses, where this is the fund that is given in addition to public school or elementary, secondary school that they can use spend on school activities or other necessities to help maintain safe, healthy environment in school. Next, the job invented. Not to be removed from the workplace or CPD, so there is no work disruption. So, job invented, it says that what we call CPD should be included in the work, not in the workplace. Dapat kasi sa trabaho, dili sa trabahohanan. To the prevent work-based environment. There is tendency nga mga estudyante nga maapektuhan po sa imuhang klase. Because I think this CPD is difficult if you really dedicate time and space. The profession you entered because you are not professional or competent, it is worthless. Everything is meaningless. And the last is funded. When the support funds, mga pinaka-importante dyan funds para sa mga maestra. Funded, after all, there must be funds available because it used in training programs such as here at CPD, where there trainings that requires financial support. For example, a teacher will attend training seminars. Of course, there must be funds allocated of this.
Okay, class, for your assignment, study in advance about the Chapter 8, Philosophies of Education, pages 174 to 197 in preparation of our quiz before we proceed to our discussion next meeting. Are we clear, class? Okay.
Students, I have a question. So, as a future educator, would you like to join the CPD after the passing of your examinations or the LET examinations? And why? Okay, Lasco. Okay, thank you, Lasco. So, have a great day.
Go.
Yes, Lasco. Okay, thank you, Lasco. So, the teacher should be join and continuing professional development for them to be able to improve their skills and collaborations, to enhance their knowledge and to improve their skills and what? their skills and collaborations, enhance their knowledge, and improve their teaching methods as a professional teachers. And that's all. Thank you.